Hey guys, today we're checking out the Historic Yorkville Enquirer building at 67 North Congress Street in York. This large open area was the writer's room. Upstairs was also the editor's office and the publisher's office. Downstairs is where all the printing was done. Back here is one of the coolest features of the building, the original vault from 1891. And these pictures and video do not do it justice. You definitely need to see this one in person. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.